Okay, we're going to take a closer look at making strip diagrams for a multi-step problem. So here you have a problem. It says, Casey checked out 3 library books 2 weeks ago. Her brother Brody checked out 4 times as many books as his sister. Their mom wants to put all the books in 3 bags to take to the library. How many books will fit in each bag? So the first thing that you need to do is take a look at the steps that you would normally be doing. Here, I'm looking for keywords and important numbers. 3 library books is important. Not so much 2 weeks ago because it's not pertinent to the problem. But the other part that is important is 4 times as many books as his sister. So you're taking 4 times 3. Times is a keyword for multiplication. And so you're going to actually be multiplying 4 times 3. That's what that indicates in the problem. The next thing is, what do they want to know? Ultimately, we want to know how many books will fit in each bag. The other important part is mom's putting these in 3 bags. So whenever you're taking a larger number and you're funneling it down equally, it's going to be division. Okay, so let's start there. Now we just need to transfer this into strip diagrams. So the first thing is, let's map out what Casey has. So I'm going to represent Casey with a K, and this strip is going to be her 3 library books. Her brother Brody has 4 times as many as her. So it's going to include that. Okay, so now Brody has 4 times as many books. This represents Brody's book, and if we do the multiplication there, 3 times 4 is 12 books. And Casey has 3 books. So the next step is we need to figure out how many books are going to go in the sack. Now, if it just said how many books of Brody's are going to go in the sack, then we could stop at 12, but it doesn't. We actually have to combine these 2 numbers, and we find out that 15 books are going to be divided equally into 3 sacks. Now, you all know that 3, when you divide 15 by 3, we're going to get 5. But transferring that into a strip diagram looks like this. And it's really simple. So here's your big strip, which represents the 15 books. And all I'm doing there is I am dividing it into strips. If you think back to our fraction strip diagrams, it's the same thing in essence. So now I'm going to take these 15 books and I'm going to divide them equally by 3. And we know that 5 books will go into this sack, 5 will go here, and 5 will go here. So ultimately, the answer to our question is, how many books will fit in each bag? 5 books will fit in each bag. And that is how you do a multi-step problem with strip diagrams. If you notice, this was your first part. You had to find out how many books total. And then your second step was to divide that amount into 3 bags equally.